man. I'm telling you, what the hell is this? In the snowstorm. Jesus. I thought we missed it yesterday, man. Come on. Hey. What the hell? Nah, man, nah, man. Thank you, Cloud. Thank you, Cloud. This is exactly what we need. Nah, it's a ooh-ya. Don't fucking go on that. Fucking hell. Damn, it takes up the heartbeat, you know. Yeah, further away from city, and the roads are getting better. Let's check the... Damn, the fucking... handbrake works like say no tomorrow. Can we... Yes. Almost in the sign, fucking hell. This is my man. Yeah, look at him go, man. Well, here you are. This is what you do. You better stop doing that salt with the smoke. Ah, what the hell was that shift? Fucking There's only one dude? Nah, there is Mo. Nice. Hey. Hey. Damn, that dude is nice. Holy hell. That sound, yes. Let's go. This is the road. Yeah, the freshness. Yeah. Ah, snow everywhere. Damn, that was what I understand. You drive this in a little bit. Look how deep we went there. Yeah, fucked up a little. This is how you can fuck shit up, man. Everybody going everywhere. Let's not do that. Yeah, open diff. Open diff. Well, the diff is the power. Yeah, spots are cool and everything, but it gets boring pretty fast. Just burning down the gasoline, and that's all you do. Shit. The hell, snow. Snow is going in fast, man. This, yeah. Can we get through? We can't even stop. How the hell this road? Fuck, man, that was close as hell. Did you see that? Luckily we entered that gas station, because otherwise it would have been game over, man. What we have found here, man? This looks insane. Yeah, wasn't that bad. Fuck me. What the hell was that? I was looking somewhere else. Oh, on the fucking straight line. What the? Oh, damn! It feels like hitting brakes. Not well, a little bit. Need to learn how to drive. Most importantly, don't rush. This is cool. Woo! In the ditch, a little bit. I didn't know what's coming up. And we go in there. Can we do that? Almost, yeah, this touched the brakes a little bit and the front and the back went okay, alright. Hey, yeah, this, whoa, 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 didn't see the car, man. Where are they going? Oh, oh. Damn. Damn, this is they know the road, man. We don't know shit here. I just know that it's slippery as fuck.
We hit the room, me and my crew, and it was cool until we bumped into you. Now it's been years, but there you were like a Mustang, redlining every single gear with a minute dance like he was born in 49, but lost his groove. Back in ancient times, I wanna know what those replacement hips. Is that a Swatch watch? Do you know what time it is? Does he run it deep enough to take you there? Does he run it deep enough? Oh, tell me, baby. Does he run it deep enough? Tell me. Does he run it deep enough? Does he run it deep enough for you?
And that BMW, I guess, is again behind us. Yeah, holy hell. He's driving pretty
We hit a
good.
couch, the place was packed with sweaty palms, sweaty thongs, and sweaty backs. My mouth was dry, my brain cold hot, the groove was right. So I decided to ignite.
Hey, damn. That dude is... Fucking hell, he's close. Shit. Did you see that? Damn. In the ditch, man, in the fucking ditch. Holy shit. In the ditch, man, we need to help. What the fuck? Planes. We need to help them. Damn. It was fucking insane, man. Okay, I'm not gonna record this. Fucking help the dudes out, man. Shit. We are good, man. They used my, how to say, schnur. This is nice. I think everything is okay, alright. But yeah, man, that dude was fucking close as hell to me, man. Holy. Where the hell are they? Damn fucking... Fucking when it goes slippery, then it fucking goes Jeez.